Do you know how many international students arrived UK since 2021? It's more than 7 lakhs. And still, the numbers are increasing. You could be surprised how it is possible. Now, you have to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to explain how can you get UK student visa. Hello guys, welcome to Bhargav's Info channel. In this video, I'll cover 4 topics. First one is eligibility criteria. Second one is how much money you need. Third one is documents required. And fourth one, what you can do with student visa in UK. What is the eligibility requirement to apply student visa in UK? Number 1, you should be 16 years or more. Number 2, you should have minimum amount or enough amount to support your study and living expenses. And number 3, you should have an offer letter from any UK recognized university. And the very important thing is you must speak, read, write and understand English. Now, the most important topic is how much money you need for student visa. First one is application fees, second one is course fees, and third one is living expenses. So the application fee for student visa is £490, and the course fees depends on the university, and the final one is living expenses. This is very important, so you should understand clearly. Now I'll explain clearly. So how much money you need for the living expenses is, it depends on where you are staying exactly. If you are staying in London, then you should maintain £1,334 per month for consecutive 9 months. And if you're staying out of the London, then you have to maintain 1023, means £1,023 per month for 9 months. So if you calculate on an average, if you calculate completely, £12,000 you have to show as an income, or you have to show as money you have in bank statement if you are staying in London. And £9,200 you have to show in your bank statement if you're staying out of the London. The documents required for student visa. Number 1, passport. Number 2, CAS letter, which is known as confirmation of acceptance, and this you will get from the university. Third one is proof of money, which might be student loan or stipend. And number 4 is all education transcripts, means it should be original. And number 5 is TB test results, that is very important, which is known as tuberculosis test results. And the 5th one is passport size photos, which should be in UK format. The final topic is what you can do with student visa in UK. You can study masters, undergraduation or PhD, and you can work up to 20 hours in a week. So this is a limit actually. So it's a part-time job and it's a 20 hours you have to do. So guys, this is all about student visa. But before getting a student visa, you have a lot of process actually. You have to get a CAS letter, which is known as confirmation of acceptance. You will get from the university. So how can you apply for the university, and what are the documents required for the university, and how to choose university? I'll explain everything clearly in my next video, which is a full-length video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more updates.